Hi guys, welcome to the multi-award winning Emerald House of Cars. We're a totally unique family run business on a mission to be the best car dealership in the UK. Our commitment is to give you guys the best buying experience you've ever received, whether you plan on purchasing completely online using our free next day delivery service with 7-day money back guarantee, or you're coming to the showroom to meet the team. We've made everything as easy and as transparent as possible so that you've got full confidence in choosing Emerald for your next car. A little later in the video, we'll show you how our vehicles are prepared before sale in our on-site RAC approved service centre. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the following video.
Hello there guys, and welcome to this quick virtual walk round of the great little city car and a real outside the box choice, the Hyundai i10. Finished in the solid, almost daylight blue. It's a fantastic looking little bit of kit that offers great economy, low running costs and very low tax and insurance brackets. It's got some quite cool tech on there as well, so I'm going to just jump round it now really quickly and show you all the reasons you should consider this as your next car. So you can see you've got that gorgeous solid blue paintwork which gives a nice real wet deep gloss look even in this dusk light. Really cool little feature. You've got your headlights in, you've got your daytime runners and front fog lights, and moving around you've got the almost wavy plastic grille just there. Moving around again, you can see on here you have got your tiny, as they look, little 14-inch titanium grey alloy wheels with locking wheel nuts, and moving up you can see that titanium grey is all across the styling on this little city car. Body coloured mirrors, you've also got the black window surround as opposed to chrome. And moving around here you can see you've got your rear LED tail lights, and again moving down you've got your two rear fog lights and reflectors, little exhaust under there and body coloured bumpers as well. The boot itself, when you open it up, it's not too bad in fairness. It's actually quite surprising for a city car. It's quite deep, so you could definitely pack a lot of things on top of each other, and it's definitely large enough for 1 or 2 suitcases. And moving back round you can see all the body lines are in real nice form, no different on the shut lines. Just a nice looking overall, very clean car. It's one that within the latest offering of city cars has proven ever popular, and again that's down to the reliable nature of the car with a massive warranty that you do get from new when you buy them from Hyundai, and you've also got the super low running costs. So that's the exterior. Let me head on inside now and show you what the i10 has to offer you in the cabin. Internally the i10 is very colourful to start off with. You can see that gorgeous blue is echoed on the dash, the door cards and the seating. For me, I like outside the box styling, vision and putting things in place when they're actually manufactured, not just as a concept car. So it really does look fantastic. Even better now the steering wheel's straight. And on the steering wheel it is a leather steering wheel, which again for a car in this bracket, in this value class, you don't normally get multifunction, you don't normally get cruise control, volume control or voice control, but you get it all on that wheel, and they are normally big and bulky and plastic, not encased in nice leather. Moving down here you've got traction control, instrument cluster lighting and of course your lighting settings as well. And moving on to the door card, you can see you've got that half blue as well just on there, and you have got the two-tone blue just on the door card. You've also got electrically adjustable mirrors, electric windows and of course child lock as well. Moving into the rear you have got Isofix, and you can see you've got the nice cloth seating in there, nice big comfortable bolsters, and there's enough room for small children or smaller adults. First thing you'll notice, the fuel release is on the floor, so don't get looking for it when you're struggling to fill up with fuel on your first. Got the analog dials here, black display, red and white contrast font, and of course you've got the red needling. You've got your temperature and you've got your fuel as well. Now starting it up, key in the ignition, give it half a turn, let it get ready and then turn it on. You can see the revometer will go up, starts first time, no problems, no delay and no hesitation. Down here you have of course got your little digital display which gives you your mileage, which is just over 46,000, and your remaining fuel range as well. And moving across you can see on here you've got your FM and AM radio, you've got your media, you've got your Bluetooth telephone when you want to set that up, you've got your track change, you've got your different folders, and you've got your main menu on there as well. So you've also got your clock and you've got your scanner as well. To turn it on, you use that button there, and you can see if you click it, you can change all the different options. Media, there's your Bluetooth telephone, so on that you click these numbers in relation to the thing and the options that it gives you on screen. CD player, and there you can see, just for confirmation, your Bluetooth screen. We've also got your tracks, and on here you have of course got your seatbelt warning, your hazard lights and the passenger airbag. To skip tracks or tune in and change your frequency, you can use this here. So for us, if we wanted Radio 1, everyone knows it's 97.9. There you go, Radio 1. And moving down from there, you've got air conditioning, heated front screen, recirculation from outside the car or recirculation from inside the car. You've also got where the air is distributed using this and the red dial, and you've also got the air distribution of how much force is portrayed out of the vents to give you the air into the cabin. Temperature can be set just here. Now under there you have the fold up little display. You've got a 12 volt charger, auxiliary and USB port for your media, and here you have the manual gearbox, of course, Napa leather, chrome accessory and leather on the head as well, and it's gorgeous encased in this 3D almost ribbed effect on the centre console just here. You've got space for your keys, dual cup holders, a little bit more storage, and of course another 12 volt charger here. All in all, it's a great little spec car, loads of room inside actually for a little city car, and one that running costs, you're just going to enjoy driving this day after day. For me, that's all I can really show you on this. There's not too much more. Do be reminded that this little I10, the little nippy bus that it is, and every other car that comes into Emerald House of Cars is of course treated to the 128 point Emerald check prior to retailing. That just means that cosmetically and mechanically they're meticulously looked over by our team of body shop experts and really experienced chief technicians. We also service every car that comes in with a new oil and filter to save any cross-contamination or confusion on the products that have been used. We would love to see what you've got as a part exchange, so do get in touch with us now if you have one, and we also offer a vast array of finance options which are usually market leading. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, get in touch with us at Team Green and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you, and we'll see you at HQ very soon.
One of the most important factors when buying a used vehicle is figuring out who to trust. Buying a car is a massive financial commitment and you need to be 100% confident in the company that you choose. We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader, hundreds of video testimonials, and the jewel in the crown are the multitude of awards we've won over the past number of years, including UK Independent Dealer of the Year, Independent Community Dealer of the Year, and most recently, Used Car Retailer of the Year. Integrity and transparency are really important to us at Emerald in how we conduct our business. We're the only dealership with a multi-award winning weekly YouTube show which pulls back the curtain and lets you see the inner workings of how a car dealership operates. We cover all aspects of the day-to-day running, from buying, selling, sourcing, after sales, and of course everything that goes on over at our RAC approved workshop.
Every one of our cars undergoes a 128 point vehicle inspection by our team of experienced technicians. Any item that aren't up to our approved standards, we rectify and replace parts needed with manufactured approved parts. We also service every car and put a fresh MOT on ready for its next owner. When we are happy the car is in A1 mechanical condition, over it goes to our body shop for paint correction or wheel refurbishment, then finally onto our detailing team. Essentially, we want to ensure that when the car reaches its new owner, it's at its very best. For the road ahead, we've got you covered with a comprehensive 90-day warranty, which can be extended for 1, 2 or 3 years, depending on your preference. We are proud to be partnered with the market-leading warranty providers that match up to our own high standards, providing customers with genuine support when they need it.
We've also got you protected for all unfortunate circumstances, such as having your car written off or stolen throughout your time owning the vehicle. We're really pleased to be able to offer a great RAC, gap and return to invoice insurance product, keeping you safe long after you've left our showroom.
If you are local to us and want us to take away the headache of keeping your car well maintained, our service plans could be just the ticket for you. Payable monthly and carried out in our fully equipped RAC approved garage, every service comes complete with a free health check to keep you and your vehicle safe and secure on the journey ahead, and also protect the future value of your car by maintaining that all-important service history.
And when it comes to protecting your car's interior and exterior against stains, scuffs, contaminants. All of our encompassing Guardex paint and fabric protection ensure the aesthetic appearance of your new vehicle remained unaltered and improved to an almost better than new finish. It's a great opportunity to protect against the best and worst that Mother Nature has to offer.
And last but not least, if you do need to take out finance for your new vehicle, we have a panel of over 35 lenders, including Santander, with rates as low as 7.9% APR, always guaranteeing you the lowest possible interest rate. For a free finance check, which won't affect your credit rating, click the finance tab on our website to fill out a 2-minute application that lets you know beforehand what your monthly payments are likely to be. We've got loads of PCP, HP and lease options available depending on your personal preference and budget. So if you want to speak to me or my team of finance experts for any help and advice, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone. We're here to help.
Our goal at Emerald is not just to sell cars, it's about creating lasting relationships and customers for life. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our customers had to say about their very own Emerald experience.
And how would you rate us out of 10? 10 being probably the best car dealership in the UK.
Definitely 10. Oh, I'd definitely say 10.
I'm going to say 10. 10.
10, obviously.
10.
10, I suppose.
Definitely a 10.
I would give you a 10.
It's got to be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
Well, it's obviously a 10, isn't it?
Obviously a 10.
Mate, more than 10.
Can I say 11?
Straight million. Straight million.
Way more than 10. I would say 10.
Oh, I'd go as far as saying 11.
Definitely a 10.
10,
A 10.
I can say 10.
In the UK.
11.
Well, it's got to be a 10.
Definitely a 10. If I could give you more than a 10, I definitely would.
I'd definitely say a 10.
10. I'd give you a 10.
I'd give it a solid 10.
I would say 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll give you a 10 then. Sounds
Give us a 10.
10.
And I'll give you 10 out of 10.
Gotta be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
I would rate you a 10. 10 out of 10, 100%. It's gotta be 10 out of 10, isn't it?
That's an easy one, isn't it? It's 11.
11 out of 10.
I'll give you 10. Because I came back, didn't I? And I'll be back again.